A scooter was bought for rupees 42,000. Haibidi scooter ama rupees 42,000 later bako. Its value depreciated. Depreciated at the handare happen. Pesama man hongdara puduni when depreciated has. My hongda base na 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Chahi amagi matunda lupagya pidu no happen. So for example, nang hantak phone am lay lising therapy. So he mong lay the hojiki mobile phone do man hongda readana. Kar hong na pangaidana. Adu the name of depreciation. Depreciation means under kadu never. Beside the do. Adu Masai scooter to look at Peter no hang manego. Jayama matunda. Other horse solution. When a magi lay give him 42,000 ni, I don't lay give when a principal hire. Pitang years like some guy de go. Principal. Principal is again rupees 42,000. Magi rates again. Magi rates in 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Magi times again 1 year. Do it already. Ends kay tayo dum 1 dum tar na sila per annum chahigi haibani na dum ends 1 dum tare ko di pusa bu tho je therefore amount amount equals to principal haraga koina thaina hotpa kan da 1 plus lak bu do the depreciation idea 100 havna plus la aro 1 minus ko 1 minus haraga r by 100 to the power n higher. So the value is in rupees 42,000 1 minus 8 by 100 to the power 1 to the power 1 the e is money 1 the rupees 42,000 fraction minus direct minus 1 into 100 100 minus 8 divided by 100 goes to rupees 42,000 into see bracket into 92 by 100 that is 0 kena gaya re kya tanga abra so di lage ko rupees 420 into 92 multiply to selaji multiply to 0 is young the bit of 0 half 0 you can't multiply and that is 2 to the 4 9 to the 18 4 to the 8 4 9 are 36 34 16 6 7 inside 8 3 everything inside 0 half 0 what the rupees 38,640 p and haibadi manang sai lising 40 to the legi bedo chahi me matung na mai pesa ma 38,640 tare aduna khoina phajana thabiram je ha re kamai thani question the find its value have ko pan thabira lo re therefore its value after 1 year chahi me matung da kya warni equals to rupees 38,640 lowest answer.